Alright boys, back again with another video. Car is looking hella good out here tonight. It's later than it looks. Right now it's 8:50 p.m. I'm just going to grab some food real quick, running to Chick-fil-A. So I'm gonna give y'all a POV drive, and this time it's actually from the passenger side. So it's a little bit different, just a little camera mount thing that I got. But yeah, quick walk around of the car. Tell me if you guys can tell what new mod I added. Something small, but I'm gonna do a walk around and not say what it is. Then I'll tell y'all what it is after. Let me know in the comments if y'all catch on to what it was. Kind of just blends in as well. I don't think no one's gonna see it, but this is what the car looks like either way. This is my 2016 340i X Drive. But yeah, that's the little mod right there. This car is dirty when I get close up, y'all can see, but yeah, it just says like M. It's not like M3 or nothing. Just a little side badge, I don't know. I just saw it online and I thought it might look cool on the car with like the blue accents and everything. But also, as y'all saw in the last video, I had some 437Ms on the car, but those are really bad and it's way too wide to even run them on my car. I cannot drive with them, so I just had to take them off. But there were some used ones and I got a fresh pair that should be coming in about a month or something, so I'm gonna be running the 437Ms. But for now, we're stuck with the TEs. I also got some spacers today. I didn't put them on the car yet, and I got a high pressure fuel pump. Let me pop my hood real quick and show y'all, because I actually cleaned my engine bay the other day. I don't know if it's still clean because the car is dirty now, but sorry if it's a bit windy out here too. But yeah, it's still looking kind of clean, as y'all can see. But yeah, tomorrow I'm actually getting a high pressure fuel pump. I already ordered it, everything. It's being delivered tomorrow. I might put it on the car tomorrow as well, I'm not sure yet, so I'll be making a video on that just to see if I get any gains or anything. So I will be going stage 2 plus as well, and I'm gonna run E50 for the first time because I think I can get some ethanol. In Canada you won't find ethanol on pump like in the States. I might just get me an ethanol plug so I can run E50 sometimes, because I've seen like B58 stage 2 plus E50 making like crazy power. So I'm really curious to feel that out. We're doing some more performance mods too. The high pressure fuel pump is just a TU pump if y'all are curious. I wanted to go like the Dorsch pump or something, but I've seen people making like 600 wheel with the TU pump. And right now my car is just stage 2, 91 octane, not even 93. So yeah, it's not even nothing crazy. I mean, it's something more than normal, but it's nothing too crazy. I can't wait to go upgrade fuel pump and feel that E50. I feel like that's gonna make me want to go like even faster in this car. I just know it. As soon as I feel that, I'm probably gonna want like turbos and all that. like the longer videos because this is probably gonna be one of them. But yeah, and it's like more uncut and stuff because you know I'm just recording, I'm just chilling. So y'all just legit see me drive to Chick-fil-A and back. Wow, I thought that was a cop behind me. I don't know if y'all can see that Civic. He had his back window down.
But you won't understand. Couple girls I'm paying for, I ain't even stand. Told me bro, I'm still gon' drink, he said I understand. She don't
drive. I also just needed a drive out. That's lucky why I even got food because sometimes I'll just be home and I'm like, yo, I need to go drive, bro. So getting food was just a reason to go drive, but I just needed a purpose to go drive, man. Food was that purpose. I don't even know what I'm talking about. I've been doing cosmetic mods to my car. I mean, I did like downpipes and all that already, but it's about time to like go faster, bro. So I'm super excited for those.